Hey guys, this is Tim. If you've been following this channel, then you know we've mastered the open chords that form the backbone that allows us to play so many beautiful songs. Today we're leveling up. We're taking the classic chords of G, D, E minor, and C chord progressions and unlocking the fretboard in 4 different positions using simple 3-note triads. This will be a 5-video series in unlocking the triads up the neck. Each video lesson will be using a backing track using this chord progression. The first lesson will be reviewing and locking in those 4 open chords. And then lesson number 2 will be moving up the neck and learning the 3-note triads around frets 3 to 5. And then we'll move to the middle of the fretboard, which is known as a sweet spot, around the 7th and 9th fret. And then lastly, on position 4, we'll be close to the double dots at the 12th fret, reaching the peak of the triads. And then the last video number 5, we'll put it all together, and I'm calling this the master class, using all of the 4 positions. In the description below, there's a link that you can download the chord progression to these open chords as well as the triads. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you're not a current subscriber. So let's dive in. Okay, this is video 1 of a 5-video series in unlocking the fretboard up the neck using triads. Today's lesson, I want to make sure we've anchored down the 4 major chords that we're going to be using through this triad, making sure the timing and the transitions are locked in. This 5-video series are for those individuals that pretty much already know the open chords. We want to make sure we lock these chords down before we start learning additional chords up the neck. The chord progression I'm going to be using is something like this. So let's pivot to the backing track, and you'll hear and see me play through this chord progression. And then about halfway through, I'll fade me playing out so you can hear yourself playing with the other instruments. And then I'll come back in. So grab your guitar, here we go. Okay, how did you do? I'm sure you did fine. You may have noticed there's a lot of movement with your fingers and playing through these chords. So playing through these triads that we'll learn will add a lot of color and freedom in our playing. Okay, for your homework, I have a challenge for you. I want to make sure that these chords are locked in. So I want you to be able to play these chords blindfolded without having to look at your finger placements. The next challenge is the cleanliness check. Just lightly strum through each string and make sure they're all sounding out without being muted. So if you pass this challenge and ready to move to video number 2, Up the Neck, then put the words locked in the comment section below. I'll see you at video number 2, Moving Up the Neck.